So we have come to a second sum. The second sum they given us x cube plus y cube dy minus x square dx is equal to 0. There is no y by x, there is no x by y also in this question itself. So how I can find? I can able to give tricks only for you. I can able to teach you how you can find whether I can use method 1 or method 2. I can able to give you suggestion and I can able to give you advice only. You need to follow what I am telling. So listen, solution. First, if we can't able to find if we can't able to find y by x or x by y, I will cleanly I will cleanly tell you, first find dy by dx. First to find dy by dx. So this minus goes the same, so it becomes plus no. So what it becomes? X cube plus y cube into dy is equal to x square y into dx. What I told, there is no x by y, there is no y by x. I don't know which method I can follow, whether method 1 or method 2. For this what I want to do, I first find dy by dx. What I am telling, if we can't able to find y by x or x by y, method 1 or method 2, what I need to do? You need to do only one thing. What is the first thing? Find dy by dx. This is dy, this is dx, right? Dy by dx. dy by dx nothing but x square y divided by x cube plus y cube. Now try to make x by y or y. This is dy by x, no. dy by dx means try to make y by x. Check any y by x is possible. There is nothing y by x is possible. I can't make y by x using this. See, if I go in, I can't able to, this denominator will be common for both this. I can't separate denominator also. I can't make y by x at all. So since I can't make y by x here, now try to x by y. Whether it's possible to x by y, to check x by y, I need to reciprocal. Reciprocal dx by dy. Dx by dy is nothing but x cube plus y cube divided by x square y. Now check for x by y. Now check for x by y. Check for x by y. See how now I can divide x square divided by x cube divided by x square y. In this I can't able to make this such format. In this step I can't make this form because this only one denominator I can easily make. So y cube divided by x square into y. So y cube and x square cancel, nothing but x by y. I have got x by y. Y cube and x square. See, this is y cube, no. This is x square y. I can write y square divided by x square in dx by dy. So you don't need to fear, sir. X by y, sir. Here y by x, sir. How I can use both? You don't need to worry. Listen carefully. What is the first method? First method I am not going to use. I am going to second method only. X is equal to vy. X is equal to vy means v is nothing but x by y. V is nothing but xy. Differentiate. Dx by dy is equal to v plus y into dv by dy. dv by dy. So stop here. So you see x is equal to vy. I have got x by y, y square by x square. You don't need to worry. Apply this one straightly. What is the dx by dy? Dx by dy is nothing but v plus y into dv by dy. X write as it is. X, we need to change x only. X is equal to vy. Apply. X is equal to vy. Write y as it is plus y square write as it is. What is x square? X square is nothing but v square e square. V square and y square, sorry, v square. I have told in the previous itself, you need to apply this one and you need to apply this one. This way finally we can use this one. So x is equal to vy. Wherever x is present, apply vy. In previous sum, wherever y is present, we apply vx. In this sum, wherever x is present, apply vy by y. Y square, leave it as it is. X square is nothing, v square by a square. So v plus y into dv by dy is equal to y cancel, v plus y square 1 by v. V plus 1 by v. This is square, no? Square. This v we can easily cancel. 1 by v square, I put v only. So I corrected 1 by v square. V and v gets cancelled. Then what is the remaining? Y into dv by dy is equal to 1 by v square. Now we need to play with variable separable method. This is dv, this is v square. Let move here. So v square into dv. This is dy, comes upward. This is y, comes down. So integrate on both sides. V square dv is equal to integration of dy by y. You know the formula. V cube by 3. You know the formula. Integration of x power n into dx is nothing but x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus e. What is n here? 2. N is equal to 2, no. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. So I got dy by y is nothing but log y. finally I need to add one constant log c. I will do the remaining step here. So this continuation will be here. So only. So v cube by 3, I got v cube by 3 log y log c. You know the formula, v cube by 3 log yc. You know formula, log a plus log b is nothing but log ab. You know what is v cube? What is v cube? X cube by y cube. We know v cube. What is v cube? X cube by y cube. Already what is present here? 3, right? 3 is equal to log yc. Now this is not our answer in back answer. So use e here. I need to remove log. So if e comes this side, this will change into power. X cube divided by 3y cube. The log will be removed, nothing but yc. The log will be nothing but yc. But back answer this is not. They given in terms of y. So this c comes down. Listen, e power x cube 3y cube y c comes down. This 1 by c, no, I can write cap c. This 1 by c I can write cap c. So cap c e power x cube divided by 3y cube is equal to y is the required equation. So I will finish this sum here itself. Very easy sum only. It can be easily cancelled. So this is the required answer for this sum. Thank you.